my MDTD family, welcome to another vlog. I had a full day and again here in the kitchen. As you can see, it's my hobby to cook. Again, I make no claim to be a professional chef. I just love to cook and to share my skills or my talent with you. So as you can see, I'm in the kitchen, just coming back from the gym after a full day's work, and I'm about to prepare something here and to share that with you. Anybody feel for some curry chicken? Anybody? All right, so I'm going to prepare some curry chicken this evening. So I'm glad that you're here. If you're new, welcome. If you have already subscribed to the channel, I want to thank you. And guys, I noticed that you are viewing the videos, but you're not subscribing. Now, I need you to help me to grow, right? If you're watching, I need you to help me to grow. So please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also share it with your friends. Ask your friends to subscribe as well and your family members, all right? I'm creating these contents for you guys, right? So I need your help. So I'm preparing my chicken, all right? So I'm going to cut it up. Let me hope that you can see me. All right. And guys, I usually take off the skin off my chicken. Now you don't have to do that. If you like the skin on your chicken, then please go ahead with all pleasure. But I like to take off the skin. I don't like the fat when I'm cooking. So as you can see, I'm cutting up my chicken. And who doesn't like curry chicken? Right, it's one of my go-to. All right, there you have it. And like I said, I just love to be in the kitchen. I love to cook, and so I decided that, okay, why not share my talent with you, or my hobby, right? Make sure I take off the skin, and clean my chicken properly. So while you're looking, again, please go ahead and subscribe. I need you to subscribe, right? Please help me to reach 1,000 subscribers. Guys, I'm creating this for you. So I need your help. I need your participation. I value you. I value the fact that you are watching the videos. And so I'm just going to ask you to go ahead and to subscribe to my channel, right? If you want to see more of these contents, please go ahead and do it, all right? We say back home, one hand can clap, right? So we need everybody on board. We need you to subscribe. You help me as I help you. All right. cooking, especially when I'm cooking chicken, if I'm currying, then I tend to remove the skin from the chicken, all right? So as you can see, I have the fat there. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to wash my chicken. And you might ask, why am I washing my chicken? Guys, please know that around here, we wash our chicken. All right? Yes, we do. So I use a bit of vinegar. And if you don't have vinegar, you can use lemon or lime. All right. All right, so as you can see, I cut my chicken in bite sizes. And I make sure that I wash it thoroughly. There you have it. My chicken is all washed and ready. All right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut up my seasoning. So I have my green onions, or your scallion, as we would say, all right? So you just finely chop that. All right, finely chop that. And I have my onion. I have my Scotch bonnet, again from my garden, guys, straight from my garden, right? So it's always good to have your curry with pepper. Now just be careful with the pepper, right? If you're another person who like things spicy, then please be conservative with your pepper. I also have my garlic. Finely chopped. All right. Make sure everything is chopped finely. Then I have a piece of ginger, right? I usually put ginger in my curry. Sometimes curry can be a little bit hard on the stomach, and the ginger helps it a lot. So I don't cut it, I just crush it and put it in there, all right? So now that I have my vegetables, my seasoning in, I'm going to use my dry seasoning. All right, so I have my chicken seasoning. So I'm going to put in about 2 tablespoons. All right. I also have my all-purpose seasoning. 1.5 teaspoons of all-purpose. seasoning. So you want to go light on this, guys. Remember, it's a bit, these seasoning are a bit salty, and so you don't want to overpower it and to make it too salty, right? We're watching diabetes around here. All right, then I have my grounded garlic, just maybe about a teaspoon of that, and then another teaspoon of grounded onions. All right, so now I have everything in. What I'm going to do, I'll just rub in the seasoning and let it sit for a bit, let it marinate. So this is it. You can see, finely chopped. Awesome. All right, so I'm gonna let it sit for a bit. Okay guys, so I'm now ready for the cooking process. So the pot is heated and I have my cooking oil in. It's about 5 tablespoons of cooking oil. So you don't want to be too heavy on the oil. All right, and then I'm going to put my curry. So I'm going to put in about 2.5 tablespoons of curry. All right, and my go-to is the hot Indian curry. That's my go-to. Right, I like this, but if you want to choose something different, then fine, go ahead with it. All right, so I'm just going to let my curry burn a bit. I like it to burn a bit, all right, so that it's not too hard on the stomach. Okay guys, so now I'm ready to pour in my chicken. You can hear that. Hear the searing. Awesome. Just want to get in all the vegetables or the seasoning. After which, let's give it a good stir. Let's look at this, guys. Curry chicken, MDPD style. All right. Just stir. Make sure your curry reaches everything. Okay guys, and then you cover and let it cook. All right, about 15 minutes. So guys, while the chicken is being cooked, I'm going to prepare some dumplings. All right, so I have here about 2 cups of flour and 1 cup of cornmeal. I like cornmeal in my dumplings. Now, you can have your curry chicken with whatever you want to have it with. If you want to have it with rice, white rice, rice and peas, please feel free to do so. But for me, today, I feel for some curry chicken, some dumplings, and yellow yam, all right? So I have my cornmeal, my flour, and a teaspoon of salt. Now you can be light on the salt. You don't have to put salt in it as long as you put salt in the pot. So again guys, if you want to use salt, it's completely up to you. If you're not a person who likes salt, then that's fine. All right, so my hands are already washed. Go ahead. I'm going to knead my dumplings. So I want to make sure that I combine the cornmeal with the flour. All right, so you look at that. Can you see it? Right, so it's all combined. Make sure you pour your water bit by bit. You don't want to pour out everything. And you take your time and mix until everything comes together. You don't want it too sticky. You want to make sure that the consistency is correct. You're gonna need. And guys, don't be afraid to try the recipe, please. Go ahead. All right, just follow the video, follow my method, and let me know how it turns out. I'd love to hear from you, right? And if you have other ways of cooking curry chicken, then please let me know. All right, but this is the MDTD style. This is my way of cooking curry, and I'm just sharing that with you. All right. Now everybody has their way of cooking. I make no claim thinking that I am authority on cooking, but I can tell you guys that, you know, for me, it is, I'm not too bad in the kitchen. I can really help myself. All right? Yes. And thanks to my mama. May her soul rest in peace. Give a lot of credit to her. Oh boy, I miss her. All right. See, everything all come together. Want to make sure that when you make your dumpling, inside your pan must be clean. Dumpling must not be too sticky. All right. You want to make sure that you knead it properly, that everything is properly kneaded together. All right. And if you haven't been to the gym in a long time, then trust me, kneading dumpling can help a little bit with the arm muscles. All right, maybe a little bit of the bicep and the tricep. All right, nice. So guys, I'm all done here. All right, so my dumpling is ready. So I'm going to show you how I make my dumplings. All right, so you need just a little size. Break a nice piece, and I do it like this. In my palm of my hand, the tip of my finger, and you turn. Let me hope you can see it. All right. All right, let me get close to the camera, all right? And then you press. Look at this. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to peel my yellow yam, all right? I'm going to peel my yellow yam, so just stay tuned and watch. So guys, this is what the yellow yam looks like. I'll cut it and let you see. All right. Yes. So I bought this at the West Indian store. Just like this. Means to take off the skin. Oh no. Don't tell me that my yam is not too kosher. And yellow yam is very expensive, guys. Very, very expensive. No joke. Alright, so see, I have my yellow yam here. Let me hope you can see it. Alright, so I'll just wash it and put it in the pot. Alright, so what I'm doing now, I'm preparing some carrots for the curry chicken. This is completely optional, guys. Completely optional. It's completely up to you if you want to put in carrots. But I like to have carrot, or sometimes, well, in Jamaica we call it chocho. You might know it as something else, Christophine, or whatever you call it. Let's not talk about it right now, since I don't have it to show you, but it's completely optional. Again, I like to have my carrot in my curry chicken, but you don't have to put it in, right? Again, remember, it's MDTD style. So there you have it, guys, my dumpling and my yam. Alright, just stir. Don't let it stick to the bottom. Alright, so you let this cook for about maybe 25 minutes. Or as they would say, until the dumplings float to the top. Then you know that it is properly cooked. Alright, so I'll check back in with you and I'll show you the finished product. Alright, just look at that. Alright, so you just cover and let cook. So guys, look at this. We're all done here. Look at that. Rich curry. Nice. Ready to eat. You can see the carrot. Nice. And my dumpling and yam is over here. Now, remember I told you that whenever the dumplings float to the top of the pot, then it's an indication that it is cooked. Alright, so as you can see over here, my dumplings are floating. Nice. So we are all done and we are ready to eat. All right, so just look at that. Ready. Guys, there you have it. I'm all done. Dinner is served. Curry chicken, dumpling, and yellow yam. Just look at this. Hot, ready. So there you have it. Just look at that. Awesome. So let me know what you think, guys. Please let me know what you think. Please go ahead and try the recipe. Try the method, and leave a comment in the comment section. Please remember to subscribe. We want you to subscribe. I need you to subscribe. If you're watching the video, I need you to subscribe. This is how you're going to help the channel to grow, so that I can continue to prepare contents for you. Right, I have a lot up on my sleeve. I have a lot to present to you, so I need you to subscribe to help me to grow, to encourage me as I share my passion, as I share my talent with you. I love to cook for my family, and I love to share what I'm doing with you. So please go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. All right, peace out.